Welcome in Prashad classes. Today I am study of general studies. First question: which is the most abundant metal in Earth crust? Answer is B. Aluminium. In Earth maximum got first oxygen, second silicon, and third aluminium or bauxite. Explanation: oxygen 49.2%, silicon 25.7%, and aluminium is the third largest element found in the earth crust. The amount of aluminium in the crust is 8.1%. Where did the Mopla peasant struggle take place? Darjeeling, Andaman, Manabar, and Chota Nagpur. In 1921, Mopla struggle in Kerala, or Kerala is the area of Malabar. So right is answer Malabar. The Mopla struggle was peasant struggle in 1921 against the British in Malabar region. The main reason of this was agriculture, in which tenants revolted against the landlord in Malabar, Kerala. Third question: Shayan in eminent commandant of Vedas फर्ज अंडर विच रीजन? किस क्षेत्र में वेदों को सर्वाधिक संरक्षण मिला और मतलब फले फूले? तो आंसर वाल्मीकि किंग, गोलकुंडा, गजपति किंग और विजयनगर किंग. राइट आंसर इज डी, विजयनगर किंग. आंसर आइए एक्सप्लेनेशन. Shan was the eminent commandant of Vedas who flourished under the reign of Bukka first and Harihar second, the rulers of southern monarchy, Vijayanagara Imperial. Question number 4th. Which one the following system of oldest rock group of India? Aravali, Orkain, Kadappa or Vindhyanchal? The answer is Arcane system. Arcane system in 120 billions ago of कोल्डेस ऑफ अर्थ. 120 मिलियन वर्ष पहले जब पृथ्वी गोल हुई थी तब की ये चट्टाने हैं. एक्सप्लेनेशन: द रॉक ऑफ ऑर्चेन सिस्टम वेयर फॉर्म्ड अबाउट 120 million years ago when the earth was cooled in India. These rocks are spread in areas like Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Chota Nagpur, etc. Question number 5. According to which is the following article to Constitution of India make provision relation to Inter-State Council? Very important question. Relation to the Inter-State Council. Article 262, 263, 264 or 265? Answer is 263. Article explain of interstate council make provision by Constitution of India. Explanation is Article 263 empowers the President to establish an interstate council to coordinate between the center and state if he thinks that his establishment will serve public interest. Hence, the source of constitution of interstate council is constitutional. Full stop. It is the established under the provisions mentioned in the constitution. Question number 6. आर्टिकल 249 ऑफ द इंडिया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिलेट. अनुच्छेद 249 किससे रिलेटेड है? फ्रॉम द प्रेसिडेंट्स इमरजेंसी पावर, फ्रॉम द डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ लोकसभा, फ्रॉम द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पावर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, फ्रॉम द लेजिस्लेटिव पार्ली ऑफ in relation to subject to state list. This is the right answer D, from the legislative power of parliament in relation to subject of state list in article 49. Explanation is Article 249 of India Constitution deal with the legislative power of Parliament in relation to the subject of state list. Question number 7. A person can contest the election of Panchayat if he was completed age 25, 30, 21 and 18. This is right answer. Age of 21 years completed, then participate in Panchayat Chunav election. Age of 25 years Lok Sabha and age of 30 Rajya Sabha and age of 35 PM and vice PM president and vice president. 35 years. Explanation. According to Article 243 of the Indian Constitution, a person can contest the Panchayat election if he has completed the age of 21 years. Question number 8. Control the financial accounts of state. Governor, Chief Minister, State Financial Secretary, none of these. Control the financial account of the state is the CAG. Control of accounts and general. This then is the answer of none of these. Explanation is control of financial account is the central as well as the state is also done by Comptroller and Auditor General CAG of India, who makes swearing of Governor, President of India, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Chief Justice of High Court, current Governor of respective state. जो गवर्नर होता है उसे शपथ कौन दिलाता है? दिस इज मीन चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ रिलेटेड हाई कोर्ट. दिस इज द आंसर इज सी. एंड हु मेक swearing the governor, then answer C. And when the question who makes swearing to the president of India, then option Chief Justice of Supreme Court, then option number B. Explanation. According to Article 159, every governor shall take oath or affirmate before the Chief Justice, the High Court of the state, or in his absence before the available senior most judge of the court. The governor's oath or affirmation is given in Article 159 and not in the third schedule of the Indian Constitution. Question number 10. Who is the included under Ved Trayi? Ved Trayi, Rig Ved, Yajurved and Atharved. Rig Ved, Yajurved and Samved, and Rig Ved, Samved and Atharved, Samved, Atharved and Yajurved. The oldest Ved Trayi is Rig Ved, Yajurved and Somved. Newest Ved is Atharved. So right answer is B, Rig Ved, Yajurved and Samved. Explanation is the Vedas are the oldest religion text of India whose compiler Maharishi Krishna Dev Pana are believed to Ved Vyas. The Indian traditional consider the Vedas to be constitutional of uncurable. Vedas literally means knowledge. The altar of also called Shruti. The number of Vedas is 4: Rig Ved, Yajurved and Samved, Atharved, in which the first 3 are compound under Vedatrayi. The 4 Vedas is called Samhita. Question number 11. Santhara system is related of which sector? Jain, Saiv, Shakt and Vaishnav. Santhara system is related of Jain religion. So right answer is A. Explanation is The Santhara system is related to Jain sectors is now also known as Shilalekh and Maran in Jain practice, which Satranan is ended by starving. Santhala was done when in the was believed that the purpose of life has been fulfilled, the old deeds have been erased, and the origin of new deeds is necessary to stop. Next question, number 12. Which of the following revolts took place of Bengali immediately after the revolt of 1857? Sansai, Santhal, Neel, and Pamna. आंसर इज नील रिबेलियन, नील विद्रोह इसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं, नील विद्रोह. शो राइट आंसर इज सी. एक्सप्लेनेशन इज द नील रिबेलियन occurred in Bengal 1859 and 60 just after the revolt of 1857. Since revolt in 1763, 1800, Santhal rebellion 1855-66 and Pabna rebellion 1873 and 76. The Nile rebellion began in the village of Govindpur in Nadia district of Bengal. Question number 13. Consider the following combination: Dampa Tiger Reserve Mizoram, Gumti Wildfire Sanctuary Sikkim, and Saramati Shikhar Nagaland. Which is the our pairs is correctly? So in this here, Dampa Tiger Reserve Mizoram is right. Gumti Wildfire Sanctuary is not a Sikkim. Right answer is Tripura. So first answer is correct, second is wrong, and third, first correct, second wrong, second wrong, second wrong, B and D cut, and Saramati Shikhar Nagaland, which is the above. So it is the right answer 3. So show right answer is C, first and 3. Explanation is Dampa Tiger Reserve was Comfort Tiger Reserve stated in 1994. It is located in western part of state of Mizoram. Gumti Wildfire Sanctuary is located in Tripura. The Saramati Peak is separate over the state of Nagaland in India, that the Sagagang region of Burma. Rajiv Gandhi National Park is located in which state? Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. Then right answer is Karnataka. Rajiv Gandhi National Park located in Karnataka. Explanation is Karnataka based Nagarhole National Park is 94 km away from Mysore, is located at distance. It is also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. A national park separate Kodagu and Mysore district. The Toda tribes lives in Nilgiri Hills, Himalaya region, Uttarakhand, the Thar desert. Right answer is Nilgiri Hills. The Toda ट्राइबल्स, जो टोडा जनजाति होती है वो नीलगिरी पहाड़ियों में पाई जाती है. एक्सप्लेनेशन इज द टोडा ट्राइब्स लिव्स इन द नीलगिरी हिल्स. द टोडा ट्राइब्स इज वन ऑफ द original tribunal communities. He speak Toda language, which is the Dravidian language related to Kannada language. The Toda people raise buffaloes that are especially rich in milk. All the work related to animal husbandry is done by men. These people consider women unholy. The National Atlas and Thematics Map Organization is located देहरादून, हैदराबाद, न्यू दिल्ली एंड कोलकाता. मैप कहाँ पे इसका है जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? तो इट इज़ द आंसर इज कोलकाता. एक्सप्लेनेशन इज द नेशनल एटलस द थीमेटिक्स मैप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वर्क अंडर द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, Government of India. It is the headquarters is located in Salt Lake, Vidhan Nagar, Kolkata. Question number 17. सुवर्ण रेखा मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट इज जॉइंट प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ विच स्टेट? झारखंड, उड़ीसा एंड वेस्ट बंगाल, झारखंड, उड़ीसा एंड एमपी, असम, उड़ीसा एंड वेस्ट बंगाल, पंजाब, हरियाणा एंड उत्तराखंड. राइट आंसर इज स्वर्ण रेखा मल्टीपल project is Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal. So right answer is A. Explanation is Shwan Rekha Multiple Project is the joint project of Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal. The Chandli Dam has been built on Shwan Rekha River. Under the project, Icha Dam and the barrage have been constructed on the Kharki River. Many canals have been drawn from it. This project is mainly in irrigation project, but power generation is also done. Question number 18. A ball dropped out of earth orbiting artificial satellite will go to sun, will go to moon, fall on the earth, will move in the same orbit with the same frequency in satellite around the earth. So right answer is D, will move in the same orbit with the same frequency satellite around the earth. Explanation is any object dropped outside an artificial satellite revolving around the earth starts circling the earth in the same way as the satellite. The color of star indicate distance from the sun, light, distance of earth and temperature. To show the color of stars, blue, green, white, red are indicator of temperature. So right answer is D. Explanation is the color of star is indicated that temperature. The temperature of wires of different colors as follows: blue 50,000 to 28,000 Kelvin, blue, white 28,000 to 10,000 Kelvin, white 10,000 to 7,500 Kelvin, white, yellow 7,500 to 6,000 Kelvin, yellow 6,000 to 49 Kelvin, orange 4,900 to 3,500, red 3,500 to 2,000 Kelvin. Which of the following mountain is located in Italy? Impine, Pyrenees, Dinaric and Jura. The right answer is Impine. Explanation is the Impine mountains are located in Italy. It extends across the Italy peninsula. It is the about 1350 km long. It is the highest peak of Mount Corona, which is about 2914 meter in height. Question number 21. Which one the following is not heat unit? कैलोरिया, किलो कैलोजारो, किलो जूल एंड वाट. इसमें से कौन ऐसा है जो कि हीट मतलब ऊष्मा की यूनिट्स नहीं है? तो देन इज आंसर इज वाट. आंसर नंबर डी. एक्सप्लेनेशन. Heat is the type of energy that expresses the warming between substance. Heat moves from one place to another and it is the transfer always take place between the material with a high temperature and low temperature. One heat is measured in calories, kilocalories, joules, kilojoules, watt is used the measure power. So right answer is watt. Question number 22. Laser beam is used by cancer therapy, cardiac therapy, eye therapy, the renal therapy. So right answer is cancer therapy. Explanation. Laser drums are most commonly used in sensitive surgery such as corneal implants. The medical field, it is also used the kidney stone, cancer, tumor and brain operation. Homi Bhabha award is given special contribution in which field? Right answer is nuclear energy. Option number C. Explanation is Homi Jahangir Bhabha was the father of Indian nuclear power program. In his memory, the Homi Bhabha Award is given to scientists who have made special contribution in field of nuclear energy. Who does mercury the sodium steel lamp light up? Atomic, nuclear, electron, none of this. The answer is B. Nuclear emission. Explanation: right is the sodium vapor lamp and mercury vapor lamp is generated by electron emission. In the case of sodium lamp, the filament of the lamp is cracked by electron moving the high speed which strike the sodium. This causes invalence electrons of the sodium molecule to excite at the higher energy level, thus emitting monochromatic bright yellow light. The mechanism of mercury vapor lamp system is more relevant and sesquicentennial. Which gas is used the slow synthetic in hospital? So right answer is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, helium, and nitrous oxide. Answer is D. Nitrous oxide. Another name is of nitrous oxide is laughing gas. Explanation: nitrous oxide gas is used as slow anesthetic of hospital laughter across when a small amount of nitrous oxide N2O gas is inhaled due to property N2O is called laughing gas. The mixture of N2O with oxygen is used anesthetic for sedation at the time of treating surgery. N2O are discovered by precisely. Padmavati Sati temple in which district? Special question: Uttar Pradesh. Then answer is Kannauj. Padmavati Sati temple is located. Explanation is Padmavati Sati temple 5 km from Kannauj in the southwest direction on the eastern bank of Devariya Tal. Queen Padmavati is Lakhanwas Sati, whose Padmavati Sati temple is built in memory of virtue. Question number 27. After 1907, which session of Congress did Tilak attend the first time? Lucknow. After 1915. Answer is 1907. Surat Adhivesan held and 1960 Lucknow. Question number 20 is who edited the magazine Tehzeeb ul Akhlaq? Answer is Sir Syed Ahmad. Question number explanation: Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in 1817 in Delhi. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan made two major objectives on his life. First, to correct to relation between the British and Muslim. Secondly, the spread of modern education among of Muslim. Next question: which one the following tribes was Varna like Hindus? Tharu, Buksha, Paniya, Kharwar. Then answer is Buksha is related of Bijnor. Explanation: the Buksha tribute found of Bijnor district. Varna division like Hindus are found in it. Which state has announced the inclusion of history of Sikh गुरुज इन स्कूल कैरिकुलम? जो स्कूल का जो पाठ्यक्रम है उसमें किसका इतिहास शामिल किया जाएगा? तो इट इज़ द डिसीजन ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश. सो आंसर इज बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 30. Explanation is Uttar Pradesh of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath announced that the history of Sikh Gurus will be included in school curriculum. He is also announced that Sahibzade Day marking the Mrityudom of 10 Sikh Guru Gobind Singh of 4 sons who would celebrate in all schools. Which Indian organization developed green populism technology? Answer is ISRO. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Answer explanation: Indian Space Research Organization President K. Shivan announced that ISRO is developing green propulsion technology for its manned space flight mission Gaganyaan. He also said that in the future all propulsion stages can adopt green propulsion. ISRO has also developed space-grade lithium-ion batteries that can be used for large-scale adoption of electric vehicles. Question number 32. Recently, Brahmaputra irrigation campaign has been used in two states. Answer is Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. 3 number. Union Sports of Youth Ministers Kiran Rijiju flagged the river rafting campaign. Brahmaputra irrigation campaign could at 917 km long campaign. The public Earths program will be organized in Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. The Jal Shakti Abhiyan Ministry run will be month-long campaign with the government of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and the NDRF. National Farmers Day is celebrated all over the country on 23 December on the birth of Chaudhary Charan Singh, Prime Minister of India. National Farmers Day was celebrated 23 December. National Farmers Day was observed on 23 December across the country. This day is celebrated to honor of 5th Prime Minister of India, Chaudhary Charan Singh. Which Union Ministry confirmed Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Telecom Skill Excellence Award? Finance Ministry of Communication, Home Ministry, Ministry of Education. So right answer of Ministry of Communication is right answer B. Explanation: the Department of Telecommunication under the Ministry of Communication confers Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Telecom Skill Excellence Award. This award scheme was launched in the year 2017 to identify skilled people in successful telecom sector and to enable them to implement telecom related solutions in various fields like health and education. This year is awarded were recently presented by Minister of Communication. Which day of week was July 1672? It is the reasoning question calendar. Right answer is Tuesday. And MTRPW is greater than only PT is the greater than R. Who is the biggest among? Who is the biggest? Then in MRT and P, M is greater than only P. T is greater than P. T is greater than R. T is greater than R. Who is the biggest among them? Right answer is T. Right answer A. Which number is wrong in given range? 7 8 ja 56, 56 8 ja 448. Should write 447 is wrong. 448 into 8 3584 and 3584 into 8 28,672. Which the ratio of salary of ABC is 235. The salary increased by 15%, 100%, 10% and 20%. Which will be new ratio of their wages? Suppose that A 200, B 300 and C 500. After increase A 15%, मतलब 200 into 15 means 230 and 310% 330 and 520% means 600. तो 600 means ये 23 ratio 33 ratio 60. So right answer is C. In the National Academy of Agriculture, Research Management NARM is located in Hyderabad. So answer right answer is B, Hyderabad. Explanation is National Academy of Agriculture Research Management NARM is located in Hyderabad. The micro element that the most locking of Indian soils. Answer is zinc explanation. This is the deficiency of micronutrient called zinc of Indian source. At the present, Indian source of showing deficiency of primary nutrition like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Secondary elements are sulfur and micronutrient like zinc, boron, and copper. So, our today complete of all 40 questions. Thank you to all. Please like, share, and subscribe and support this channel.